Hey everyone, and welcome back to my art channel. It's great to be back with you today. And today I'm going to make just a very quick short video about the difference between long handle brushes and short handle brushes, because I've been getting some questions about why are some brushes have short handles and why some have long handles and what's the difference. And it's pretty simple. The basic difference is that the short handle brushes generally are for watercolor, like these two brushes here. And the reason for that is most watercolorists work on a horizontal surface, so they usually have their paper set either flat or lifted up just at a slight angle, but like on a desk. So they're working, like this, flat. And oftentimes they'll get close to their paper, almost like they're writing with this kind of motion. And so the short handles on watercolor brushes make it easier for that kind of painting method. The reason that oil painting and acrylic painting brushes have the long handles, and you can see the difference here, is that these are meant for painting on canvas at an easel, where you're standing up and the picture is upright. And the reason for that is most oil painters or canvas painters, oil or acrylic, it's the same thing, like to stand back away from the canvas a little bit to get a more of an overall view, or step back a few feet to see how the picture is shaping up. And so they tend to paint rather than like this, the way watercolors do. They tend to hold their brushes more like this, so that you're painting more from a distance. And if your surface is over here, then you're standing over here and you're painting like this, and you can kind of step away with your arm outstretched and still reach the canvas. So that's why the oil painting brushes have the longer handle. So that is the basic difference between the two. And I hope that should make sense and explain the question. So, thanks for watching. Take care. Thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you won't miss the next video. And why not spread the joy? Be sure to share my videos on your favorite social media. Don't forget to head on over to my website, walcottfineart.com, where you can see my art, read my blog, or when you join my newsletter list, you can win free art. Every month, I'll choose a lucky winner for my email list, and that person will receive a mini original oil painting. There's a chance to win every month, so be sure to sign up today so you don't miss out. Plus, you'll get my fun newsletter. See you next time!